How to search the web using Perplexity AI. First, open the Perplexity app on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the Google Play Store, then sign in with your account. Next, tap the Ask Anything search box on the home screen. Now, type your question or search query. For example, you can ask, what are the best budget smartphones in 2026? Or how do I create a YouTube channel? After entering your question, tap the Send or Search button. Perplexity AI will search the web, analyze multiple sources, and generate a detailed answer with links to the websites it used. If you want more information, ask a follow-up question in the same conversation. Perplexity remembers the context, so you can continue exploring the topic without starting over. You can also tap the source links to read the original articles and verify the information yourself. That's it. You've successfully searched the web using Perplexity AI on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, Android tips, and easy tech